about to start it up real quick. Just let it run. All right, we just got back from getting a course report for the car. We're gonna paint it. This is the only paint I got right now, so I'm gonna just use that and try to cover up as much as I can, make it black, and then I'm gonna just put it on right here. It's only 4 bolts though. It's only them 2, right there, and then that's so you can bolt up your headlights and your hood latch and a couple other little things, like all the wires and stuff can the buttons and stuff can go up in there, like these right here, these. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do next. Then I need to do my windshield wipers too. It's a lot of little stuff I still gotta do. I just got it home from the shop and just parked it real quick. I gotta put that wire harness in here so I can have lights and stuff when I open the door. I gotta put the hood hinges on, if I even got any, because I think I left them on the gray car and that just got towed away today. But I got the side skirts still. I might put these rims on there, because this one, when it got crashed in the other car, this rim got messed up and now it go flat every time. So I gotta get that fixed. So I might just throw these on there for now, and then be done. But for right now, I'm about to just paint this, see how it turned out. Got it all painted up. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and I'm gonna try to get underneath, but I hit most of the spots everywhere, mostly. Look good though. We just picked up the SRT8 bumper. Look pretty good. Just that'll all get fixed once the body work and stuff get fixed. But I just need the grill inserts and stuff. And this the reason they sold it right here. Just for that. But I'm not too worried about that. I got the bumper. That was the main thing for real. Better than that RT bumper. So, oh yeah. Got some little kids. They want to see the whip, the new swap. They want me to start it up. Y'all said y'all want to hear it? I just got done fixing it now. Let's see. Go. Yeah, I ain't expect to be that loud. Hey, yeah. It'd be one color soon. Alright, we brought the car to one of my friend's shops. He mostly do tires, just tires and stuff like that. But he got a mechanic too that can weld my exhaust. I got the headers on, but the mid pipes, basically, the mid pipes is not connected all the way. I don't know if you can see it. I know that much. It's good.
From the church, Red had to put his.
I'm gonna get a cold start. We just got our first day of snow yesterday, so it's gonna be the first real cold start for real. It's like 20 degrees outside. Let's see what this bitch talking about. They got a misfire too, cause of the misfire from the valve cover. It got a hole. It got like a little small hole, pinhole from when I crashed. So I gotta get a new valve cover, but for right now, it's straight. It's not a bad leak or nothing. But here we go. Y'all said what?
You know what happens when we get on this road. It's getting down through the hood, nigga, bro.